it's important to repeat measurements so that we know there are random uncertainties present. And this also helps us then calculate the best estimate of the true value when we average the readings. When the experiment is repeated, the uncertainty, how good the experiment is obviously dependent on the range of readings, so the maximum divided by minus the minimum value. But the more values you take, then the more sure you feel about the result, and therefore the smaller the random uncertainty. So we divide that range by the number of values. And that gives us the formula there for random uncertainty, maximum minus minimum divided by number of values. And then we've got a worked example based on that. So you've got 5 different measurements of time. If we take the mean of them, then we get 7.51. And if we take the maximum minus the minimum divided by the number of measurements, that's 0.21, but rounding that then to one significant figure is 0.2 seconds, and therefore we should round the 7.51 to the same number of decimal places, giving us our final answer, 7.5 plus or minus 0.2 seconds.